DPI manufactures aluminium frames and light boxes for use with tension fabric, from a small wall-mounted frame using a very thin 19mm profile right up to huge light boxes.
We have a very strong 24-volt LED system to illuminate your fabrics, and we can also get it bespokely powder coated to any colour that you wish to have it as well.
So we're used to delivering at a fast pace, we're used to having to work out of hours to install, to work around all the health and safety issues.
We get a job and we try and turn it around as quick as we can, but the quality will still be 100% quality all the time.
I'd say the reason that we are one of the best at what we do is because our turnaround time's, second to none. We can get these things done, made well and shipped out to yourself.
Our priority was to get quotes out on time, to get orders out on time, and to make sure that the customer had a seamless experience from beginning to end. It's second nature to us now.